Hi, everyone. So, as we continue talking about light energy, today you're going to look at a slideshow. You're going to follow along as Mrs. Krieger reads through it. And then I'm going to have you, after I'm done, reread it silently in your head. So it gets drilled in your head because there's some big vocabulary words. So, today you're going to learn the difference between what is transparent, translucent, and opaque. Okay. Overall, this form of light energy we call the study of optics. So that's when it is the science of light properties. And when we look at light and their behavior, it is called optics. Optics usually refers to the properties and behavior of visible light. However, optics is used to describe other types of electromagnetic radiation as well. So we know that light interacts with matter. The type of matter will determine how much light can pass through it. Matter can allow all the light, maybe some of the light, or no light to pass through. Okay, so like we look at the window example, is it going to let all the light, some or none? Then this light, and then the brick wall. So, the definition of transparent is when matter allows all light to pass through it. In that case, it is the window. All light can pass through it, so it is transparent. Any form of glass and air is transparent. These mediums allow all light to pass through, which is why you can easily see through them. So some other examples, okay, clouds would be transparent. Then we have matter that only allows some light to pass through it. This is pronounced translucent. Most of the light waves are scattered when it goes through a translucent object. For example, paper and plastic, those are translucent. They're allowing some light to pass, but you can't clearly see through them because they cause most of the light waves to scatter. So when the light hits it, that form of matter, it scatters. Therefore, we only see part of it. Okay, maybe think about when you get out of a shower, kind of a foggy window. If you were to look straight through the window, you'd still see through it a little bit, but not 100%. That is translucent. Okay, and this word is pronounced opaque. Opaque. That's when matter does not allow light to pass through it at all. An opaque object is completely blocked by light. Examples of materials that would be opaque would be wood, metal, and stone. Most living things, like us humans, are opaque as well. So this diagram with the arrows are representing when light hits it, it is completely blocked. Okay, and translucent, the arrows are representing when light hits it, it becomes scattered. And this diagram is showing you transparent, that when matter hits it, it goes completely through it. Okay, so how does this all kind of work together? Well, an opaque object produces a shadow. Remember, a shadow is a region where the light is obstructed, big word, which is a synonym for blocked. The shadow then appears on the opposite side of the light source. So where the sun, the rays are hitting the dog, you notice the shadow, it appears on the opposite side of that light source. Okay. So what I want you to do right now is go through the slides that I just went through and either silently go through them, understand those diagrams, and kind of think of your own examples as you read the definitions between transparent, translucent, and opaque. Take a couple minutes, and then your teachers will read with you these 2 pages in your science book, and then a video clip that sums up those difficult vocabulary words. Okay, so keep studying those words, and then more vocabulary will be found on a Quizlet, and we'll continue learning about light energy. Keep it up.